Did you know liquid nitrogen can be used to measure heat introduced into materials from welding? The EPRI WRTC team has recently developed a unique calorimetry system specifically designed to consistently perform such measurements. And here's how it works. A weld is first performed on a sample connected to a rotating arm. The welded sample is then automatically submerged in a dewar filled with liquid nitrogen. As the sample cools within the dewar, a scale measures the liquid nitrogen weight loss. After reaching the liquid nitrogen temperature, the sample is removed from the dewar and the total liquid nitrogen weight loss measured by the scale can then be used to calculate the heat input of the weld. This system has been successfully used to validate heat input of multiple welding processes and novel heat input calculation methods developed by EPRI, which are critical for cracking prevention and long-term service performance of welds.